Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, here in this section we are going to cover the topic 3D. Yes friend, you can create 3D objects also in Illustrator. So let's see how we can create 3D objects. And there are many interesting designs also that we can create using the 3D concept, and that we will see in our projects part. But for now, let's understand the concept that how we can create a 3D object. So, first of all, let's create a simple rectangle just like this. Let's provide a fill color, say like this one. Now, how you can provide 3D look to this rectangle? There is a simple way. That is, go to the effect menu and 3D. Here you will see three options. We will explore all of these one by one. So first of all, Extrude and Bevel. You will see this window popping up. First of all, let's hit the preview option and see. Can you guess the similarity between this one and this one? This is the preview of what you are getting. This is the front face. See, and these are the sides. See, visually only you are getting some match. Let's drag it down a little bit, down, down, and see. And here are a few options which will help you to rotate along some axis like x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. This is the perspective. Well, and another thing, here you will see another option, that is extrude depth. Let's increase it. See, the depth is increasing. This is the depth. Okay, and now we can understand the concept of perspective better. Let's increase the angle. See, if you increase it, it seems that we are viewing it from far. See, now it's at the furthest. And see, as you are lowering its value, we are in front of it, right? So this is the perspective, this is the depth, and this is an option of cap. This is to make a solid appearance, and this is for hollow appearance. Let's check this one, hollow, and it's kind of hollow. You can, yep, there you go. See, it's hollow, nothing is there, I mean inside. And if you check this one, it's solid, this one is hollow. Okay, let me, yeah, see, this is hollow. And shading, you have few options of shading also, plastic shading, and some more options like light intensity, ambient light, sorry, highlight intensity. Well, let's make the appearance to be solid, blend steps, color shading, some custom color. See, okay, yeah, draw hidden faces. So these are some additional options which you can check, and there is another cool option, that is this map art. Yes, we will come across this option in our project section. Yes friend, here I will not say anything, but one thing that I will say, that here you can see uh, each surface just like this. Okay, uh, you can even check the option of invisible geometry, shade artwork. Okay, for now let's hit cancel to this, and there is a bevel option also, you can check out. There are some cool bevel options. See, now whenever you are happy, click on OK. That's it. And now there is another thing. See, if you move this rectangle, it's moving like this, and see its selection. So again, I think you got the concept. You need to go to the object, you need to expand its appearance, and that's it. See, now we are inside a group. Check out this layers panel. We are inside this group and we have these faces. See, we have got many faces. So if you want to change color of these, what you can do, you can simply select one and you can change its color to something else, or you can go inside the group. Inside it we are having another group. See, it's inside a group. Again, let's go inside group, it's also again a group, and now we are inside a path. Now you can change its color to something else, like say this. Then let's go to the group. Then say to this, let's come to this one. Here you will see another shape. You can change its color to something else. Oops. See, just like this. And whenever you are done, just come here. That's it. So this is the concept of 3D. Now let's create an ellipse, just like this. Now let's go to 3D, which is inside effect, extrude and bevel. Here we are seeing only the extrude and bevel option. Let's hit preview and see. Nice cap, right? Let's increase the depth and see. Plastic shading we are getting. Well, yeah, using this we are going to create really interesting stuff. We will see. But for now, just try to understand that using this technique only we will create some 3D designs. Now let's go to object, expand appearance. That's it. So that's it for extrude and bevel. In our next lecture we are going to explore revolve. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.